afternoon students. Today we will start instantaneous rates. Instantaneous rate means a very small change in time. Okay, so first of all, your instantaneous rate is that in which the rate of reaction change in a very small amount of time. Means here the time is changed very less. Delta t, so for delta t we are write as dt. That side we are writing delta t, here we are writing dt. For instantaneous reaction, if we are using this reaction, then what we will do, minus 1 upon 2 a is here na, so we are putting not delta, we are putting dA upon dt, minus 1 upon 3 dB upon dt is equals to plus 1 upon 4 dC upon dt. So representation of graph is taken place as like this. Reactant decrease with time, so it is decrease with time. Here product increase with time, it will go on the upside. So as the product is increasing, then the time is also increasing. At one time came, it remain constant. Fine. Next question, they are saying nitrogen, hydrogen gives ammonia. So they are asking ROR and ROD of nitrogen. So what will happen? We have to using a one plot graph, time with concentration of hydrogen. When time 2 seconds, then concentration is 10. When time 4 seconds, then concentration is become 6. How it is so? We have find out by this graph. Okay, when 2 time taken, then concentration is 10. You can see here 2 taken, concentration is 10. When 4 taken, concentration is 6. So let's take about ROR. What is coming here in ROR? 1 upon, you can see one time question also, N2H2 NH3. Okay, so now it is easy for you. 1 upon 1 N2 dt, 1 upon 3 H2 dt, like same d, we are using d here, not delta. Now we are putting a graph, we find minus 1 upon 3 dH2 upon dt. Slope is become tan theta is equals to by 2 minus, we have taken only y, we are using any other value also, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so dH2 slope is coming here, this one dH2 tan theta by 2 minus y1, and this value is coming from this graph, that 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10 means concentration, both are the concentration, this both are the time. Okay, so it comes as minus 2 mole liter inverse, 2 mole liter inverse and second inverse. Okay, so in second concentration decrease this much. After a graph, ROR is become 1 upon 3 dH2 is equals to 1 upon 3 1 upon 3 plus 2 gives 2 upon 3 mole liters inverse and second inverse. In a ROD, rate of disappearance of nitrogen, we are putting in a rate disappearance of nitrogen dt, then ROR has become 1 upon 1 d2 upon dt. Okay, it is coming here, ROR is d2 upon 3 and this value we are putting here. So overall when we are find out, then it is coming as 2 upon 3 mole liter inverse second inverse. So till here you can complete it this much, and rest we will do afterwards, the order of the reactions. Okay, in this time in the syllabus the order of the reaction is a 0 order reaction is coming and first order is coming. Okay, second and third order is not coming. So students, please write these all things in your copies, and this was your homework. Thank you students and have a nice day.